Okay guys, so in this video we're basically drawing the min heap using the bottom up construction. Okay, and since we're using the bottom up construction, we're basically follow the order of this array. Okay, so it's like 36, and then at the left side we put 14, and at the right side we put 62. We're basically going to follow the same order. Okay, so left side 27, and then 45, and then left side 19, and then we have 71. Okay, 71. Okay, and then we have left side 8, right side 33. Okay, left side 50, right side 5, left side 24, right side 40. Okay, so just like left right, you're going to fill this up. So that's basically the idea behind min heap. You basically fill it up from left to right, like fill the whole heap, and then you try to fix it, okay, using the min heap. Okay, and but if you were only creating the min heap like one by one, not using bottom up construction, okay, so what you would basically do, you would insert the value like one by one, and then you will check the value because this one is smaller, so then you're going to swap at each insertion. Okay, and this is how you do it in a normal heap. Okay, but this is about the bottom up construction. So what we're basically going to do, we're going to go at the lowest level of the parent that you see. Okay, so lowest level at the parents you see is this one. Okay, so you're going to start basically from here, and you know, you always move at this direction from right to left. Okay, you're not going to go in this direction. Okay, so you're going to go in this direction, and you're going to fix the values. All right, so now let's go ahead and try fixing the values. So you see over here, you're going to start at this node, and this one, it doesn't have any child, so this one is good. Okay, so you're going to move to this one. Is this one smaller than its children? Okay, this is already smaller, so you don't have to fix anything. You're going to move to this one. Now, is this 45 smaller than its children? No, it's clearly not. 5 is smaller, so you're going to basically swap their values. You're going to swap 5 with 45. Okay, so let's go ahead and swap this. So this becomes 5, and this one is going to become a 45. Okay, so 45, and that one is 5. Okay, now we move to the next one. So the next one we have is 27, so 8 is going to be swapped with this one. Okay, because 8 is smaller. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so now you're good with this one. Oh, now we're gonna move above. Okay, now we go ahead and move above, and we basically perform the same thing. So now you see which one is bigger. The parent, is this smaller than its child? No, a 19, so you're going to swap a 9 with 19. Okay, so you're going to swap with 19 and 62. Okay, but you know, after you do this, you cannot go ahead and move again. You have to check at the bottom ones as well. Did it mess up at the bottom? Because sometimes it's gonna mess up at the bottom as well, and you have to make sure that you fix at the bottom before you move ahead. Okay, so you have to check, okay, is this parent smaller than its child? No, that means you have to fix again. So this 62 has to go down, and 24 has to come up. Okay, so 24 and 62, and now you're good. Now you can move. Okay, so now you're here. Okay, so now basically you're here, so you have 14 over here, and which one is smaller here? So the 5 is smaller, so it's gonna swap its position with this one. So 5 and 14. Now you go ahead and check again. Did you mess up here? No, you're good. Okay, you're good. Now you can finally, when you're good with everything, you can move ahead. Okay, so you're finally at the root, and which one is smaller? So 5 is smaller, so 5 is gonna go at the top, and 36 is gonna go at the bottom. So 5, 36, and now you have to check again. Okay, so you see 36 over here, and you have a smaller here, 8. So this 8 is going to be swapped with this 36 because the parent has to be smaller than the child. Okay, and here you have 36 over here again, but you have a smaller number over here, 27, so you're going to swap again. Okay, so 27 and then 36. Okay, now you are basically done with this bottom up heap. Now there's one more question that you have to solve. So let's say if there's a second question with this one, which basically asks you to perform the remove minimum 5 times, let's say. Okay, so if you're performing the remove minimum 5 times, so you know, for a heap, what you basically have to remember is that the minimum that you will find is basically going to be always at the root. Okay, so you see the minimum of this one is basically, this array is basically 5, right? And you found it at the top, so you're basically going to remove this head over here. Okay, so if you chop the head, what's gonna happen? Like, you cannot just leave this like this, you have to replace it with something. Okay, and with the heap, what you basically do is you're going to go at the lowest level. Okay, you're going to go at the lowest level. Which one is the lowest level? This one is the lowest level, right? And you're going to replace it with the rightmost node that you see over here. This is the rightmost node that you see over here at the lowest level, right? So you're basically going to replace it with this one, and then continue with the heap, with the min heap formula. Okay, so here your 9, which one is bigger, you're going to check. Okay, and then move it at its correct position. And because we are removing this 40 and putting it over here, so we have to remove it from here. Okay, so now you see 8 is going to go at the top. Okay, so 8 goes at the top and 40 comes over here. 8, 40. Now you check again which one goes at the top. 14 goes at the top, so 14 is going to be replaced again. Okay, so 14 over here. Okay, now you're going to check. Okay, so you're good. All right, so now this was one time. Okay, now we have to perform a second time. So now we have to remove again, so we have to chop the head again. Now we have chopped the head. Okay, so what do we replace it with? So we're going to replace it with at the lowest level from the rightmost node that you see. Okay, so you see 62, so you're going to remove this 62 over here and you're going to put it over here. Okay, so now you're going to repeat the same process. So you see which one is smaller, so you see 14 is smaller, so you're going to put 14 over here, you're going to put 62 over here. All right, so now which one is smaller? You see 27 is smaller, so you put over here. Okay, so 27 and 62. Now which one is smaller? So 33 is smaller, so you put over here. 33, 62. All right, so you're basically good over here. So now you do the same thing. Now you do the third time. So now once you do this third time, you're going to chop the head and then you're going to replace it with which one? The lowest, at the lowest node, which one you see? 45. Okay, so you're going to replace it with 45. So now once you replace it with 45, now you have to replace it with 19, 45, and then here 24. Okay, so now you're good. Now you move again. Okay, so now you're going to do it the fourth time. So now you're going to basically remove this 50 and remove this head, chop the head, replace it with 50. Okay, now you have replaced it with 50. Now 50 comes over here, 24 covers over the top, 24, 50, and then 45. Okay, and then we have 45 at the top and we have 50 at the top, and you have performed this 4 times, and this is basically your tree after 4 times. So at the 5th time, if I ask you again, so you're basically going to chop the head. And now if you ask me which one should I replace it with, like you're not going to replace it with any of these. Okay, so you're still going to look at the lowest level. So the lowest level you see is this one. Okay, so lowest level, the rightmost that you found, is you can basically say the last node of the lowest level. It's basically 62, so you're going to replace it with 62, and then you basically perform the same thing. So 27 goes at the top, 60 go to, okay, so what was that? 27 and 62. Now 33 is going to go at the top, so 33. Okay, and what was that value? I forgot. 62. Okay, and then we have 36. Okay, and this basically completes your min-heap while removing it 5 times. So thanks for watching, and that was it for today's video. Bye.